in August, it just seemed like a dream. We were talking about it. It was being planned.
Back when kind of our sales enablement team had talked about, hey, we want to do something for charity and do something out in the community. I was approached as far as being a member of Zoom Cares, and we kind of talked about it, and we immediately thought, ooh, a playground. So really from the very beginning, I was actually part of the design team, which was so cool. I got to sit with the kids who were chosen from Stone Mountain Elementary and their parents.
I am a parent of one of the designers, the students that goes to Stone Mountain Elementary. My son was one of the fortunate ones that was able to come out and design it. So wanted to volunteer and help out.
We typically just see the playground pop up. We don't get to see the behind the scenes. And this has afforded me that opportunity to see it from them actually drawing it out, to KABOOM putting it together, to being in the planning meetings every week. Seeing it to today, the finished product, is a good feeling.
Truly important. I mean, we talk a lot about our core values, which revolve around Zoom Cares, right? And really, as it relates to just the planning and ensuring that we're aligning with those values, is the action behind it. And today, this is what that's about to me. And I think for the greater group too, just the opportunity to press the pause button on the day-to-day, behind the computer in the office and all that. And to truly come out and make a difference.
Today we have over 100 volunteers out here from Zoom and the local Stone Mountain community working side by side to build this child design playground. We're also planting some shrubs and some trees, mixing a whole bunch of concrete by hand and moving about 175 cubic yards of engineered wood fiber or mulch.
Zoom and KABOOM have been great throughout the entire process. Child focused, it's kept the community focused on the children. We're just really appreciative of everything that Zoom has done for us and that KABOOM. I mean, you can't ask for anything more than a funding partner who also brings as much labor as Zoom has brought today.
Just remember that you're not just building slides and climbers or moving mulch or mixing concrete. You're really creating the dream play space of the kids in this community, and hopefully that will be the energy and the heat that you'll need to drive to get through the end of the day.
Kind of getting teary-eyed just to know that people came near and far. We have people from the community that's out here, but we have people from as far as California. And so that just brings tears to my eyes, but it also brings joy to my heart.
On Build Day, it was so fun to see everyone out here. It's really a sense of community, and for Zoom to be a part of this community, being able to have a part of it with the children, with the families, and having so many of our Zoomies and local Atlanta citizens out here, it's really fun.
It's a little bit colder than normal here today, but it is not stopping the volunteers. They're having a good time. They're out here moving and getting the work done.
It is well worth it. It's something that, I want my son's kids to be able to come out and say, hey, this is something your dad built, this is your grandpa built. You'll be able to enjoy and just pass it on, just a little tidbit to be able to see things like that. Because, they could have put that anywhere. They could have put that in another city. So to see the people come together, the city officials, and even just to get funding from KABOOM and Zoom, I mean, that's awesome to be able to do that.
To see the slides go from being in pieces to them actually erecting the slides and putting it all together, it was like, oh my God, I can't believe this went from these pieces that were on a truck to now it's a full playground.
It's been like almost life-changing. I've always been one to want to help others, but to see the city, the mayor, KABOOM, over 70 Zoom volunteers come, it's just, I don't know, it's just amazing. As far as like the pandemic, all of us have been like cooped up. Now we're out and about helping each other and helping other people. It's just been so much fun, and I've loved it. I've loved every bit of it.